Chris, 20 seconds. Please quickly, no. Rebound by Vincent. Good. This is no more. Yes, rebound by Vincent.
Got the basket.
What's
White
mine?
eight.
You.
Got the basket. White eight. Hit. One shot. You back on defense.
Good to one. Yeah, no time. No time. Third quarter. No third quarter. End of second quarter. End of second quarter. No. Yeah, half time.
That's he told me something.
No, because I already made it for
Ngayon hindi masyadong mainit. Kaya kaya yung isa.
6-point lead. 6-point lead only. 6-point lead. Now, no. He's gonna play for one day tournament. Tyler.
Yeah.
He got it.
You didn't watch it, right? I got turning it over.
Tom got one. Okay.
We're good if you want to start. I got two. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah, he got it in here like me. He got, because Sam got two pounds for Sam. Yeah. Then he got 15 pounds here. Yeah. No. He got 3 because we he put 2. No. Then who's foul? Because Tom is only 2. Then Tom gonna be third foul too.
Whenever you go.
Yeah. Tom, you got 2 fouls. Then he got 3. If he gotta transfer your foul to you, you're gonna be got 3 fouls. And he got 2 fouls. It's up to you guys. Because you have the same.
I'm gonna sue you. I watched the video.
Because Tom got 2 too. Tom.
He's gonna get 6 fouls next game. I'm going for a double-double. Double-double.
Joey got it. Joey is the one that he saw it. Joey. I only got here like.
I don't understand how these referees tell you I've only got 2, and you're telling them that I've got 3, and they're the ones in charge.
White ball, guys, white ball.
Ha?
Oh, baka iba na next season. Iba na. Kasi pag nahahabol. Okay, 2 points by India. 42-34. 8-point lead. Again, to Fish. Vincent, good again by Vincent. Rebound by Josh. Vietnam. Time to move. AJ. To Brian for 3. Rebound by Tom. Again, to Josh, good. Rebound again. Okay, DJ. Okay, we'll go back in. Josh for three, no good. Tam for three, no good. 53 by Josh. Ranger. Tam for three, no good. Rebound by Jason. Jason, over there, rebound by Ryan, Pastor Chandler. MJ, do the ball. MJ, foul. Push, black ball. Oh, steal by Lucy. Go to fish. What foul? You take that personal foul. First team foul win. And second half. Okay. To DJ, good for two by DJ. 36-42, 6.8. DJ. To Brian, to Wu. Black ball. Turnover again by Wu. Number 11. Vincent! Assist by Josh Walker. 44-38, 8 minutes, 17 seconds, time remaining. In third quarter. Fish for three again. Malas na. Oh, Tom, what a pass! Oh, rebound by Josh. Angel. Ryan. Oh, steal by Kill. In the ball. Pass to Jason to DJ. Oh, no goal. Rebound now. Foul by Jason. First team foul. Second personal foul, Jason Morales. Again, 7 minutes, 29 seconds, time remaining in third quarter. Foul, Jason. Third personal foul, Jason. Third. 2 free throws to Josh Walker. Kunin ko yung kalaksan ko sa bro. Josh Walker. Ready for stop! Everybody's up! Stop! Yes, up! Because it's a free throw. Hey, you only shoot one. Chris, go! Good for one. Good. Vincent. Good again. Vincent. Rebound in there. Good for two. In there. 9-point lead again. To Vincent for three, no good. To Chris, no good. Oh, wow! Fourth personal foul! Jason, fourth personal foul, Jason. 13 fouls, this is Ramos. Fourth personal foul. 1-8 for graduation, Jason. 1-8 for graduation. Get big. 49-38. 11-point lead. No need. No. No need. Wait for the end of the fourth quarter. No. It's a mandatory sub. No, mandatory sub. Fourth quarter. Third. Time out, White?
You guys stop out there.
6 minutes and 54 seconds pa. One shot na lang. Daw pinatira mo na.
Hindi. Sabog na. Ang referee. Nag-shot ng isa.
Kaya nga, isa na lang.
Pero ang referee.
6 minutes and 54.
Ang referee nagsabi ng sub na. Siya ang referee yung magsabi na magsabi.
Hindi kung dapat masasabi. 6 minutes. Kano may hawak na tempo din eh.
Sa 6 minutes. Minsan nga, yung di ba kayo, nagsabi kayo, less than 6 minutes nga kanina eh. 5 minutes, hindi na 5 minutes, di ba? 5 minutes. Oo nga. Minsan di mo mapakasing dead ball eh.
Bibigay na lang bola sa shooter. Titira na. 6 minutes and 54 pa.
Sa referee,
Hindi naman. Wala kami. Hindi kami organize kung sino magsasab. Kasi shooter yung magsasab eh.
Okay, 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Para remaining, third quarter. Jason, no good. Rebound by Rodney. Good for two by Chris Corpus. Again to Khan. Good ball. Jason to Vincent. Vincent. Good Vincent. 45-49. 2 minutes 50 seconds. 2 minutes 45 seconds to third quarter. Take by Jason. This is rebound by Jason again. Running for three. Elbow. 2 minutes, 18 seconds. Now, Grupo 1 assist by John Proctor. Grupo 2 by Cam. 51-46 point lead. Grupo 2 by Chris, assist by the franchise. 47-51. 4-point lead, 4-point lead. 1 minute, 52 seconds. Oh, Jason. Wow, what a pick! Wow! 49-51, 2-point lead. 2-point lead by the Jason. 2-point lead na rin, 130 seconds. Working pa Di ba? Second personal foul, the franchise. 58 seconds, time remaining. Good. Another one. 52-49, 35 seconds, time remaining, 35. Good for three. Assist by the front side. 52, 54, 2-point. 5, 14 foul. First personal foul, 14 foul. Last 8 minutes of this habang. Reklamo na lang kayo. Ilagay ko kayo rin sa sako na pasta. Last 8 minutes of this habang. Only 2 points. 2-point lead, Vincent, 2-point lead. One more timeout here. 2 timeouts here. 2 timeouts, 1 more timeout. Julius, Julius. 1 timeout, 2 timeouts. 1, 2.
Sa playoff kami babawi. Sa playoff na lang babawi kahit maraming talo.
Ito, tuloy siya. Andyan ka lang. Yan, andyan.
Start, stop.
Game ball, 4 quarters. Again, Fish. What a game. 2-point lead. Fish, 2-3 for the lead. Yay! 55-54, this by DJ. James Bateman. 55-54. 1-point lead. Yeah. Josh. Chris Corpus. 15 foul. CC Summers. Second personal foul. Chris Corpus. Second personal foul. Oh, James B, what a game! 17 seconds, Chaka. 17 seconds. Oh, steal. Is it? Get it. To DJ. Assist by Kenneth. 57-54, 10 minutes, 54 seconds. Whoa! What a move by Ronnie Pilsa. 29 seconds. Again, DJ. To Chris. 1 for 2 by Chris. 59-56. 10 minutes. Time. The game. Time for me, big. Tied up. Woo! 10 minutes, 17 seconds. Again. 20 seconds. Shot clock. 15 seconds. Shot clock. DJ for 3. No good. Rebound by Josh. AJ. Oh, wide open. Wow, this is AJ. 61-59. 2-point lead by Legends. Woo! What a game. What a game. Good game. 20 seconds, shot clock. DJ. To Kenneth. To Chris. To Vincent. Who's 32? Tam? Second personal foul. That is it. Oh, 2 points. Tied up. AJ, Vincent. 65. Warning for penalty ngayon. Yung black. First personal foul, Vincent de la Serna. Again, TJ. 62-61. 8 minutes, 35 seconds. Last 8 minutes, open up. Last 8 minutes. Up by 2 again. Cirilo. Oh, what a steal by Ronnie. Tony. For the Bilza, the ball, to Josh, to Brian for 3, no good. Every foul, reset. Basta may foul, reset. Like, oh, steal again by Ronnie Bilza. Good, rebound by Vincent. Again, Chris, good again, rebound by Josh. Good for
Time out.
66 numbers of Black team. One more timeout, Black, one more timeout. Why? One timeout, ready. 65-61, 4-point lead again. No. 4. Kanina up kayo, 3. Baba na naman sila. Up kayo na 3 kanina. You're up 3 kanina. You're up 3 kanina. Oh. Yeah.
Qualify na ako, no? Ay, hindi makoy ba shit? Hindi makoy. The Godfather. Godfather.
Pareho kayo dito, walang talo. Hindi mo.
Pero yung mga kalaban niya.
Next week.
Okay, meron silang talo.
Whoa, you got 11 turnovers. Yeah, woo. 3 seconds violation by Joshua Turnover. Whoa, what a pass! 63-65, 2-point lead only, 2-point lead. Woo! Again, to Jason, to Fish. Fish for three for the lead again! To Sam, oh, what a pass! Woo! 61, 63. Oh, what a game! What a game! To DJ. Oh, still again by Cash! Happening again by
Kita kita kahapon ah, nakita mo ako kahapon.
Oh, again, to Fish, jump shot over again. Rebound by Josh. What a rebound by Josh. Good rebound. Good rebound by Josh. 5 minutes, 18 seconds, time in fourth quarter. For the game, 64-63. One person. Richard. 53 pa Richard. Tapos bang! Assist by Wu. Again, Jason giving the ball. Jason to Fish. Again to DJ. To franchise for three. Bang! 66-17. 4 minutes, 35 seconds. 4 minutes, 35 seconds. Richard. Oh. No more timeout. Defense, no more timeout. One timeout here. No more timeout here. 4 minutes, 27 seconds. 4 minutes, 27 seconds. Press na, 66. Lamang na siya ang pito eh.
63 ba kami?
Minadalingan. Nakipagkanoan sila sa nakipag-napay ang
Lumamang sila ng 3, dapat nag-slow down. Jason, yung lumamang kayo ng 3, dapat nag-slow down kayo.
One time out.
4 minutes, 25 seconds. 15 seconds left. Boom! Wow! Good foul. Every foul for the black team, it's penalty shoot. Two free throws. Reset. Shooting for 2 free throws. 3 minutes, 57 seconds. Oh, good. Break. Bumawi. Break. Again. Rebound by DJ to Chris, jump shot! Rebound by Wu. Wow, 2 shots. By Wu, penalty. Stop.
Push foul masa. Foul. Ref, push foul. Ref. Sino foul na? Kaya foul na.
Push out. 16. Chris. Third personal foul, Chris. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 seconds. 17-66. 4.8.
Break.
Two more free throws for Michael Wu.